Salut coders, welcome back to another tutorial, and in this tutorial I want to show you how we implement the playing of video of the chat application. So this is the video, so I want to show you how you can implement this, creating your own player in your chat app. After doing that, as you can see, it's playing a video that we already sent, and also on the previous video I showed you how you can exit from the group. So let me just create a new group and show you how we can remove a member from the group. And I can say test group. So this is the group that we just created, and in this group there are two members, which is this admin and this member. And in this tutorial I want to show you how you can remove this member from the group by just clicking the user and click remove member, and you just say yes, and a success, this user was removed from the group, and you can see it's already loaded. So let's get started, guys. If you try to click this video, it's not playing. So we want to implement this thing, the playing of a video, and you want to use this library which is called the Chewie. So let's add this dependence, which is Chewie version 171. And let's add it here. So after adding it, let's run pub-get to get all dependencies so that you can download the latest version of this Chewie. So after doing that, the dependency has been added. You can see everything works fine. So we need to create, let's go to our chat. So in this screen, in this chat screen, message screen, that's where we have where we are loading our view, like adding this event. So we want to add a new screen. So if I click this view, it can open a new screen, and we can pass the file path of this video. So let's do this in this dashboard chat. Let's create a new screen and create a .dat file, and I can call it video player screen, and let me copy the name. So let's create a class extends. I'm using Riverpod, so I will import consumer stateful widget, so we can extend this one. So after doing this, we'll be able to play this. With this logic, we'll be able to play our video. So what we can do, let's go to our extension. A simple way what I can do to code this thing, like in our extension on build context, this one, I want to add, there's a logic that is there. We see you have this logic that is to open an image. So in here, I just want to create. So what I want to do first, I can just say push. I can just say push. I can just say push. Yeah, this is the widget that you are going to open. So you can see we have this logic to open, to push a new view. So let's just copy this. Let's just copy this. So in here, this one, I want to remove everything. This view that you are seeing in here, I want to make things abstract. I just turn this widget like this. So after doing this, we can just call this class directly, or I can just say, like what I did here, I have open image and I can create this one, which is, I can just say open play video. So in here, I'll just say play video is just to open. I can just say push and the video player screen. It's a widget, remember. And in here, I'm supposed to pass a path. This path. And I put a semicolon. Let's import. By doing this, so in my view, like here, let's go to the message screen. In our message screen here where we are calling pick image, let's look where it is being called. For simplicity's sake, let's check where this open image is being called so that we can just go to the correct. So you see this, it is being called here. So we just say this step, it's opening an image. So let's go for the video. This is the video. So for the video, let's go to the tab of a video, this one. So in this, for video, we just want to play the video. Like this. So this is what we want. And we can also go to, let's look else where this is being called. I think in our group screen, chat group message, where it is a video, we just also do the same. The same like the file path. So let's run the application and see if we are able to play that video with this new implementation. So let's go to this chat and let's wait for it. Let's click the video. I have a bug. Let me try to fix this one. I know the issue here, it's because I didn't set state. So in here, after initialization, I have to do set state. And then let's save this. And I can come back and let's reopen it again and see. So the video is playing. You can see we can have controls here. Even if I come back and open the video again, it will start to play automatically. So after it ends playing, that's why we set looping to false. So This is how we can play a video. And let's do something. We want on our groups. Let's also go to our groups. Let's go to groups, and let me create a new group here, and I can select the only member. I want to test with I want to create a new group so that this is the new group that we just created. So in here, let's go to the details of the groups. So in here, we want to add the implementation of removing a member like this. Then you click remove member. Are you sure? If I say yes, we did implement this logic. So we need to implement this logic. So this logic, let me go to the callback here. So in here, we already implemented this logic on the previous video. So what you want to do, we just want to do the same logic that we did for exiting a group. For exiting a group, we were removing the admin. So here you want to you were the owner and you were moving out from the group. So right now you want to remove someone. So we want to reuse this logic to remove that we created on the previous video, which was exiting from the group. So that logic, this was the logic for exiting from the group. So in here, we just want to copy this, and you can come back, remove from group. This is in here. We just want to implement this, but let's add the async. We can put it here. It failed to complete. So let's remove this thing. So in here, exit group. So I want to just copy the same logic, but I want to say remove member. So in here, the ID, it won't be the member, it's for the member. So here I just say remove. I will call this method, and this method we want to pass this. This is the user that we want to remove, and I can remove this. I can just say dot user ID, member user ID. Then I can remove after a success. So let me just do this. After a success, I'll just do this. If it's deleted, just say it's true. If it's true, what you want to do is to get, I think, to get group members, and we just say state dot group dot ID. By the time we try to remove, the ID won't be now, so you can force unwrap. So if you go to this logic, it will get the group members, new group members, and it can populate new group members, and the view will be loaded with will be updated with one group member. So after doing this, I think we are okay. We are only left with one error, which is passing this. So when it is true, so we just copy the dialog, which is this one. We just say group dialog. This is the information dialog, just saying the member has been deleted. I just say success. So after doing this, let's just save. Let's test to remove this user, and I can click, I can say remove, yes. The logic didn't go well, and I'm not seeing any error. Let's see, let me go back here and see if, so the logic didn't go well here, and we want to test group member. Sorry, we have an issue here. In here, we are supposed to pass a group ID. This one is supposed to be a group ID. So that's why I didn't handle the error method, because it didn't find the group. So here we just let's put this here. Let's save. Let's test now to remove this user from this group, and I can say remove, yes. You can see Musid was removed from this group, and you can see it's only showing one member, and the group is just left with one member, which is this admin. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to this channel, may you kindly subscribe, and also comment, like our videos, and share with others. Salut coders, let's meet on another video.